Today in the Nerd Cave, we're going to be taking a look at Rey's lightsaber. This comes from shopdisney.com, and although it says Rey's lightsaber, to me, this will always be Luke's lightsaber. My first memory of seeing a lightsaber is when Obi-Wan hands Luke the lightsaber, like this one, and ever since then, I wanted a decent replica of one. A while ago, I made my own lightsaber, and as you can tell, it's very heavily inspired by Luke's or Rey's or Anakin's. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box. Comes pretty well packaged. It's got little styrofoam blocks to keep it from shifting around during shipping. So you've got your lightsaber. On the back of these are the accessories. You've got your belt clip and parts to your stand. And on this side, got the base for your stand, two parts to wall mount it, and a cap that goes in the hilt when the blade's not in there. My first impression of this is it's got some weight to it. It feels really nice. It's almost all metal. The one thing I've read in reviews and can see now is normally this part would be 90 degrees from this. It's a little off center. Sounds are pretty nice. All right, let's look at the rest of it. To assemble the stand, just take your base, this clear upright part, slide it in. Then it comes with two of these angle pieces. And pop those on. There we go. Here's a closer view of the wall mount if you wanted it. This is for the hilt. Then the smaller part is for the blade. It just snaps right in. It also comes with this belt clip. Yeah. See if you can see it there. Basically just push the button to remove it. Taking the blade off is fairly simple. You unscrew this little metal ring. Then you push this glass button and twist it, and it comes right out. Then it's got this little cap that can fit in there. And you just screw your metal ring back on. And then it can sit in your stand. I actually really like this stand. I like having it upright for display purposes. And the belt clip, it just hooks right in there. And to get it out, you push the button and slide it right off. I did have to take this apart when I first got it. This lower metal piece was above the hook part, but it's just a matter of taking 4 screws out and moving that piece of metal. Put the blade back in. First take off your metal ring and take out the plug. The blade has a little red locking switch there. You just put it in, you turn it, and it'll lock in place. You put your ring back on. You're ready to go. This runs $170. Like I said, it's from shopdisney.com. And though it might not be 100% screen accurate, to me it's perfect. It's what I've always wanted. And the price was right. For me, props don't have to be 100% accurate. As long as someone looks at it and goes, hey, that's Luke's lightsaber or Rey's lightsaber or Anakin's lightsaber. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's got a good feel in your hand. And most of the time I probably will have the blade off and just have it displayed unless I'm dueling with one of my kids. I highly suggest you pick one up. It's really nice. It feels solid. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. We'll see you next time.